Hello students, welcome to the fourth video of Science Class 8 Chapter 4 Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. Students, in our previous video, we have discussed about the chemical properties of metals, and in today's video, we are going to understand about the chemical properties of non-metals and different uses of metals and non-metals. So let's get started. First, let us understand the chemical properties of non-metals. The chemical properties of non-metals are as follows: reaction with oxygen, reaction with water, reaction with acids, reaction with bases, and displacement reaction. So let us understand all of these in detail. First, reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Students, non-metals react with oxygen to give non-metallic oxides, and such oxides are either neutral or acidic in nature, and the acidic oxides of non-metals dissolve in water to form corresponding acids. For example, when phosphorus reacts with oxygen, it gives two oxides: phosphorus trioxide, that is P2O3, and phosphorus pentaoxide, P2O5, and both oxides are acidic in nature. Students, did you know that phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal? It catches fire when exposed to air, and hence it is kept in water to prevent its contact with oxygen. And let's take a look of reaction of non-metals with water. Students, non-metals generally do not react with water under normal conditions. And now let us understand the reaction of non-metals with acids. Students, non-metals do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids. And next chemical property is reaction of non-metals with base. The reaction of non-metals with bases are complex, about which we will learn in higher classes. Next property of non-metal is displacement reaction. Students, certain more reactive non-metals displace less reactive non-metals from their salt solution. For example, chlorine displaces bromine from the bromides and iodine from iodides. Students, now let us understand the use of metals. Students, as we know that metals are used in different industries for different purposes. Metals are used in making machinery and automobiles, etc. For this, we use iron, and some metals are used in making aeroplane, trains, and some metals are used in making satellites, industrial gadgets, etc. And some metals are used in making cooking utensils, water bottles. Now let us understand the use of non-metals. Non-metals essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during breathing, that is oxygen. We use oxygen for breathing, which is a non-metal. And non-metal are also used in fertilizer to enhance the growth of plants. And the major non-metals which are used to make fertilizer are nitrogen and phosphorus. And students, non-metals are used in water purification process. For this, we use chlorine. And non-metals are also used in the purple colored solution, which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. For this, we use iodine. And non-metals are also used for making crackers. The gunpowder which is present in the bullet of gun is made from the non-metal, that is sulfur. Now let us revise what we have learned today. Question 1. The nature of non-metallic oxide is A. Acidic, B. Basic, C. Either neutral or acidic, D. None of these. And your right answer is C. Either neutral or acidic. Question 2. Which of the non-metal is used to disinfect water? A. Chlorine, B. Bromine, C. Iodine, D. All of these. And your right answer is A. Chlorine. Question 3. A purple colored non-metal forms a brown solution in alcohol, which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. Name the non-metal. A. Bromine, B. Iodine, C. Chlorine, D. None of these. And your right answer is B. Iodine. Question 4. Which non-metal is used to make gunpowder? A. Carbon, B. Sulfur, C. Phosphorus, D. Nitrogen. And your right answer is B. Sulfur. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screen. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.